Does taking two kids out for a walk feel like preparing for a military operation? If you're tired of stroller bulk taking over your life, you need to see this. Today we're testing the Graco Ready2Grow LX, the stroller that rides like a double but folds like a single. Before we dive into the 12 different ways your kids can ride, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Hey, I'm Layla, and I'm here to help you upgrade your health, your habits, and your life, one simple step at a time. We've all been there. You have a toddler who wants to walk 1 minute and sit the next, plus a newborn who needs to stay close. Most double strollers are either too heavy, too wide for doorways, or just impossible to fold without a degree in engineering. The Ready2Grow LX 2.0 was built to solve exactly that. It's an inline tandem stroller, meaning it's narrow enough for standard aisles and sidewalks, and it's surprisingly lightweight for a rig that carries two kids up to 50 pounds each. Let's talk about the secret sauce, the seating configurations. This is where this stroller truly wins. For twins, it accepts two Graco SnugRide infant car seats at the same time. For sibling gaps, you can have the baby in the close-to-you rear seat while your toddler takes the front. For the big kids, as your oldest grows, you can remove the rear seat entirely to reveal a bench seat and a standing platform. This gives your toddler the independence to hop on and off, which, let's be honest, saves us from a lot of tantrums. Graco didn't forget about us. The fold. It features a one-step self-standing fold. You don't have to lay it on the dirty ground while you're loading the car. Storage. The basket is massive. However, pro tip, access is easiest when you slide the bench seat forward. The LX upgrade. Compared to the standard 2.0 model, the LX version gives you added body support for the kids and extra visors on the canopies to keep the sun out of their eyes during nap time. Now, how does it actually push? On flat pavement and through malls, it's a dream. It's narrow, so you won't be knocking over displays. Because it's an inline stroller, the weight is distributed lengthwise. It might take a little more muscle to pop it over high curbs than a side-by-side, but the trade-off is that you actually fit through doors. At its price point, the Ready2Grow LX offers some of the best value on the market. You're getting a stroller that evolves from the newborn stage all the way until your oldest is 5 or 6 years old. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and compatible with the entire Graco ecosystem. Now I will tell you how to use it. Hey everybody, this is my review of the Graco Double Stroller. I've had it for over a year now, and I love that you can switch it in so many different ways. I believe there are 8 different ways you can set it up. I've had it in 3 different ways. Currently, I have where there is a front passenger and a back passenger, but I have had in the past where there was an infant car seat and a front passenger, and then also just the infant car seat and the standing and sitting option. So your bigger child will hold on to these handrails and stand on the platform, or they can choose to sit on that seat and you can buckle them in with the buckles. It's a great stroller. I've ran with it and it's been held up great. I've gone on trails, it's been great, and just overall great stroller. So here I'm going to show you how to put on the brake. So you just push down on these brake pedals if you want the stroller to not go anywhere. And then to take off the brake, you just lift it back up. And then to collapse the stroller, you will push down on these buttons on either side of the front. And then as you're pushing them down, you will pull this little section up and then be able to fold it down and it will collapse. It's very easy to store after it's been collapsed. If you want to simplify your outings, I've put the link to the official Graco store on Amazon in the description and the pinned comment. Go check out the latest colors and deals. Let me know in the comments. Are you team side-by-side or team tandem? Thanks for watching and happy strolling.